Manners.
Dino stomp, dino smile. Good manners go a long, long mile. We say kind words, we play fair. Dinosaurs show they care. Manners matter every day. Kind dinos, they know the way. Say it loud, stomp the floor. Manners matter, hear us roar. Do you use your manners and say please and thank you? Great! T-Rex wants a tasty treat. He says please before he eats. He waits his turn, then gives a grin. That's good manners, says his friends. Triceratops got help today. She said thank you right away. She gave a hug and smiled wide. Good manners show what's inside. Manners matter every day. Kind dinos, they know the way. Say it loud and stomp the floor. Manners matter, hear us roar. Let's all be sure and use our manners every day. Stego wants to use the slide, but he lets a smaller dino ride. Your turn now, then mine, he said. He smiled and cheered and shared instead. Raptor's tail is kind of long, but Bumpy and friends would just feel wrong. He says, excuse me, loud and clear, so everyone is sure to hear. Manners matter every day. Kind dinos, they know the way. Say it loud and stomp the floor. Manners matter, hear us roar. Roar! That was so much fun. Manners really do matter.